Take those delicious red strawberries, beautiful red colored strawberries, and preferable to take the smaller ones and remove or cut the stem of it. So I'm simply slicing off the stem of it, the green portion, and then I'm going to clean it in water, that is your fresh water. Now I've taken a mixer jar and I'm going to drop these cottage cheese into it. This is your homemade cottage cheese. You can use the market bought even, and dropping some vanilla essence and some sugar-free stevia goes inside it, and I'm going to churn it. After churning, see, this is the way I've got the cheesy curd, you can say, or the cottage cheese or the paneer curd, you can say. Now I'm greasing my hand and taking a small portion of it, making a hollow in between and dropping a red, simply the whole fruit I have taken, and I am just rolling or covering inside it. It's so simple and so easy and so delicious. You are going to surely love it. So here I have rolled all the pieces, and this goes in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour so that the paneer layer solidifies a bit. See, now I am going to again pick up these pieces and roll it again. See, it takes a perfect smooth surface. You must be thinking why I didn't first freeze and then put the fruit, because what happens when you put the fruit after freezing, it won't take a perfect smooth surface, while once you stuff it and then freeze it, then it takes a perfect smooth surface. See, and I'm going to just grease the knife and slice it off from the middle. See, can you see? Just these are your delicious strawberry Sundesh. I'm just slicing the other portions even. Doesn't it look perfect? This you can store it at least for 3 to 4 days and enjoy it guilt-free, because it is protein rich and perfectly easy and delicious to taste even. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make these strawberry Sundesh bomb, whatever you call, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it.